I'm Snazzy Sonia, and this is my mom, Sonia. We're making sugar cookies. This is gonna be so good. Let's start it. Okay, today in our cookies, we're gonna use 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 1/3 cup of white sugar, a pinch of salt and baking powder, and 1.5 stick of butter, not like unsalted butter, and 1 large egg with a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're gonna mix the butter until it's like smooth. Are you going to use the electric mixer? Or? Yeah, we're gonna be using the electric mixer when it comes for this, so mix it until it's smooth, and then we're gonna add in the other stuff. Okay, so before we mix it, I just wanted to clarify that we have the butter softened. Usually I put it in the microwave to melt it, but in this recipe it calls for softening the butter. So let's get this. All right. Show that. This is where the sun's gonna get cut off.
Did you put the...
Let me add it in
the salt, yeah. Salt and baking powder.
Oh my god, why is it coming out? Now we're gonna add in our sugar and teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh my god. Oh. The nervous part. Boom. All ready? Let's mix this baby up. Okay, now the dough looks like this after mixing for a long time. This is the remainder of the dough in here, but now you're gonna want to chill it inside a plastic wrap for about an hour.
In the fridge?
Yeah. Okay, you guys guessed it. Another poking transition. Super satisfying. In my previous cookie video, I made one of these little poking things. So satisfying. Okay, our hour is done. Time to go set these on the tray. Okay, so I'm adding in our cookie dough, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun little thing we got going on. Okay, so now we're just gonna pop them into the oven and wait a
little bit flat.
Yeah, because my mom was like, you're making them too thick. So yeah, we're putting it for 350 degrees on 10 minutes. We want the cookies to be a little bit crispier, so we're gonna put it in for an extra 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon of corn syrup, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. This is way too much, but since I'm gonna just measure it out when I'm bringing it to the bowl. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the sugar first. What the heck? Oh my god, there's so many clumps. Okay.
That's good.
Still not coming out.
That's fine. It's just
Just a little, yeah. No.
Just, yeah.
1, 2, and time for our maple syrup. Shake that stuff up. Whoop.
Oops, it's already one teaspoon. That's enough.
It keeps going. I don't know why they're doing that. Whatever is in here. And then usually you whisk it up together, so I'm just gonna quickly spoon it. Hopefully this turns out right.
It will.
Hopefully.
Follow all those ingredients.
It's not looking too bright right now. And then at this point you can add food dye or whatever if you want to change the color of your frosting. Again, it would be a better idea to use corn syrup rather than maple syrup, but it was what I had.
The maple syrup is a little healthy version of.
No, they're both equally pretty bad.
No, maple syrup is really good.
This is pure maple syrup, so hopefully.
That's it, yeah.
Alrighty, right? Yeah. So now we just gotta wait for the cookies to finish. Okay, so I just dyed the icing like a bluish green color. Like in person it looks a lot more blue, but in here it looks pretty like green. Okay guys, so frosting, now the recipe I told you guys is a lot less for if you want to cover the whole cookies, but I say if you want to cover them all, you have to, I'd say, like double it or triple it, I don't really know. But I'm just going to put it on one cookie just for the taste testing. Oh, look at that. That's super duper good.
And the smell is so good.
It smells like so good. Ooh. Look at that. That looks so good. This is going to be perfect thumbnail photos. We're going to get another cookie and just cover this one up. Any bare spots? Alright.
Brush, what is this brush?
Alright. So everyone, I will try this with my mom. Okay, ready?
Excellent.
I really like it.
Yeah, so good.
So, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Mother. This is getting more of the looper. You're holding the camera like this again. Okay.
Look what a mess you do here. I have to put it now.
That's all from the powdered sugar. This is another dad scene. This is my dad again, everyone. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, and that's my brother. Say hi, brother.
Hello.
We like your cookies. We like the cookies. We like our cookies a little bit more